What's up, Chuckles? This is your glorious teacher, Mr. Schneider, coming to you week 3 of our digital learning initiative here in the state of Arizona. As you can see, I'm in the office here. Nobody else is here on Sunday. So I am bringing to you the welcome for week 3. Welcome. Welcome to our world of statistics. And this week, our goal is going to be to do 8.3 in our textbook, which is testing the differences between means of dependent samples. Okay, so it's going to be actually a lot different than the first two sections where we just used the two sample z-test and then the two sample t-test. Okay. Now, as far as difficulty though goes, this is going to be no more difficult than any of the other ones that you've done this chapter. Understanding wise though, it's a little bit wonky in the way that we do it because as you know, we do our hypothesis testing using our p-values. Okay. So if we have our two samples that are paired, it means that the two samples that we're going to be looking at have exactly the same number because something happened. So a good example would be, let's say that I have 15 people that go to a certain fitness class. Okay. And after a month, we look and see what is their weight. The goal is to lose weight. So what we would look at is the reason they would be paired is it would be the same people who start. You're going to get a weight from them as they start, and then they do some sort of transformation. Here it would be some sort of fitness class, whatever, Schneider fitness class. I don't know what it is. Okay, it's something that they did, and then we weigh them again, and hopefully their numbers come down from that. So we're going to be taking a look at that difference and testing that difference, okay? Which means for us, we got to do it, we got to understand it in a little bit different way, okay? The book doesn't do a good job. Usually I like the book a lot. The book doesn't do a good job of explaining the process that we use, the p-value and such like that. So what I did is, and it's a little bit wonky to kind of do on the calculator as well. If we're going to do it, it's not very difficult, but you got to know the ins and outs of that. What I'm going to do is, and normally I don't do this, I'm going to be doing my own videos, but there is a doctor, Dr. Ashley Godbold. She teaches university, but there's a wonderful video that I found on teaching you how to do this on your calculator for 3 different types of problems. So I'm going to link that up to our page this week. Also, I will do one of the examples. There's only 2 examples. The first one I think is not very good because it's golfing scores, which are a little weird to think about because the lower the score, the better it is. So that's a little bit counterintuitive. But I'm going to do, after you watch the Dr. Ashley, I'll just call her because Godbold sounds weird to me. After you watch Dr. Ashley, and it's about a 20-minute video, it's pretty comprehensive, do that. I'm going to do example 2 with you in our usual way. I'm going to have the calculator on the side. I'm going to have the little problem up, and we're going to go through that. So that's kind of the gist this week. Again, there's going to be homework. It's only going to be about 4 or 5 problems, but you can't read the instructions on the homework because they're going to tell you to use critical values and rejection regions. That's not the way we are doing it, unless you want to kind of read up and do it in that way. We are doing p-values, so I'm going to give you a homework problem, but you need to be able to do it in the way that we are doing it with p-values and then looking at level of significance. Okay, so the little guy came on my screen saying that I have 17 seconds, 16, 15. I'm going to link, go watch Dr. Ashley's video, and then see me again for example 2. You're going to have homework assignment and then a homework quiz this week. Awesome. See you later.